Guys, it's your boy Matty Ice, Leads for Locals, and in this video I'm super excited to bring to you a brand new credit repair lead generation system that I've been testing and working on, and it's using LinkedIn to build a massive credit repair referral network. And I've actually been testing this in a couple different industries, business loans, which has actually been doing even better. Going to be testing it in life insurance very soon. But basically, the idea is to build a massive referral network on complete autopilot using a couple of tools with LinkedIn and connecting with your ideal prospect for that referral network. And when it comes to credit repair lead generation, that's going to be realtors, mortgage brokers, car dealers, basically any industry that is like the sale of their product or service relies on credit. That's who you want to go after. And what's really what makes the numbers so good on this and why we're getting so much success with it so far is you're not selling anything. Like you're offering a partnership. Basically we're reaching out to people and saying, hey, saw you were in real estate. I'm in credit repair. I think we'd make a good team. Obviously, not every one of your clients is going to be qualified. I've got a great system, get their credit to where it needs to be in 60 days, 90 days, whatever it is. Would love to add you to my referral network. If you're interested, let's chat. Let's have a conversation. And that's it. And not everybody's interested, but a good portion of them are. And if you do this over 60, 90 days, you should have a pretty solid referral network of people just sending you credit repair leads and clients every month, right? And that's really the idea. And this is actually meant to, and I put this in my Credit Repair Lead Generation Academy. You guys can check that out below. And so basically, it's like a combination of we're doing Facebook ads for credit repair lead generation, and now we have a system for building a massive referral network as well. It's just like a lethal combination when it comes to generating credit repair leads. So I have all of that in the Credit Repair Lead Gen Academy, all the messages, scripts, how to set up your profile, how to build out the audience, how to set up your messages, everything. Okay, how to use Growth Lead, all that stuff. So, but in essence, what we're doing is we're using LinkedIn. We're using a tool called Growth Lead, which you don't have to use Growth Lead. There's plenty of LinkedIn automation tools out there. Some of them you have to be careful, but this has been the absolute best, most powerful, and the most cost-effective of any of the other LinkedIn automation tools, whatever, out there. It keeps us under the radar. We're not doing 500 profile views a day and all that crazy crap. We mimic basically what we would do if we were to go on to LinkedIn and do this manually, except it's done automatically, right? So we're sending out 50 to 75 connection requests per day. And all the connection requests come with a personalized message. So we're starting real conversations with people. We're not doing LinkedIn ads or anything like that. And then from there, it has an autoresponder right here, where once someone accepts your connection request, it automatically sends a series of follow-up messages. We have it set up to go out over the course of about 3 weeks, and it sends 4 follow-up messages just to basically follow up, stay in front of them automatically until they respond. And basically from there, you take the conversation from there, right? Get on the call. Offer maybe a referral fee, when deals close. And it's so easy because one, you're not selling anything, but two, you're also going to help these people close more deals. So when you're talking about realtors, mortgage brokers, car dealers, they lose deals all the time because a client's credit is not where it needs to be, or maybe they screwed up last minute or whatever, right? So by partnering up with you, where they're sending you clients to help with their credit, if you can get their credit fixed in 60, 90 days, send the client back to the person who referred it. Well, now not only have you paid them for the referral, potentially you don't have to, but I would. But now you're helping them close more deals. So it's a win-win-win for everybody, and that's what makes it so successful. Is you're not selling anything, and you're all making more money together, right? And that's the idea. Okay. So all of this on complete autopilot. We're on the dashboard right now. I just want to go through some numbers here, so you can get an idea of how big your referral network can be in a relatively short amount of time. And that's the power of automating your LinkedIn outreach or your LinkedIn prospecting. You could build it up really, really fast. All right. So let's see. So I built my audience in LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You have to have Sales Navigator. It's $80 a month, 30-day free trial if you've never used it before, but you get much more targeted with your audience than you do like a regular LinkedIn search. Okay, so you have to have LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So we build out the audience. I show you how to do all of that in the Lead Gen Academy. But then basically we connect that audience, which is right here, 2,500 people, which is the max for growth lead right now. I think it was like 4,000 people, and that was just in Florida. And basically on this particular campaign that I tested, I was just connecting with realtors. That is it, right? So like the sky's the limit. Like there's so many different industries that are like credit sensitive for their sales. I mean, it's just like you'll never run out of prospects to add to your referral network. Okay. So we sent out about 750 invites, connection requests, personalized. About 180 accepted them so far. So I think that's like a little less than 25%, which is pretty good. That it could be a little better, but that's pretty good. A bit with business loans, I think we're at like 35-40% acceptance, like connected rate. Like it's ridiculous how powerful this can be when done properly. And then we've had 51 replies so far. So, that's almost, what is that? It's a little less than 30% for the replies. So, and of course, not all of them are great, but just the numbers alone, like you can just start to see like, and I only ran this for 9 days. It was just a test campaign. I just want to see what kind of responses I would get and what the numbers would look like. And, it worked out pretty good. Like these numbers, it would not take you very long to build a really just massive referral network of realtors, mortgage brokers, car dealers, that are sending you these credit repair leads. So I just want to give you an idea of the numbers, and you can check out some of the conversations here. And this is actually one of the things I love about Growth Lead. And you guys can schedule a free demo. If you go through the link below, you can schedule a free demo of Growth Lead. They'll show you, a little bit more in depth how it works if you want. I go through it in the Lead Gen Academy anyways, but it's up to you. But one of the really powerful features about Growth Lead is that because it's connected to your LinkedIn profile, it actually has an inbox here. You actually don't even have to go back to LinkedIn to respond to your messages. I personally don't like the LinkedIn messaging platform. It's not very good for organizing conversations and following up and things like that. With the inbox here, check this out. You can actually sort by people who have replied, unread, all this stuff. You can also, here, let me just show you. So let's start with this. You can tag people, which is like super powerful. You can leave notes as well. Just based like maybe you got on a call with them and you want to follow up with them later on LinkedIn or whatever the case may be. You can literally leave notes in their profile inside this inbox. You can put tags. So like, let's say a week goes by and on that week, you want to personally follow up with everybody who has replied. Well, you can tag them with like leads or, follow up or whatever. Like that's what these are right here. And it'll pull up all those profiles for you to just, do whatever it is that you want to do, following up on the LinkedIn messaging platform. You can't do any of that. Right. So it's super powerful. All right. But let's just go through some of these and just check it out. Like I said, not all of them are going to be great responses, but a lot of them are. Thanks for reaching out. Haven't experienced that situation with many clients. If anything comes up, keep you in mind. I have nobody for you. All right. Well, thanks. Yes, I do. Okay. So this person said that they had somebody that they work with. No, thanks. Ruben, great. Sure. So not like the best response in the world, but he's interested. So I could take that conversation and, maybe book a call later on, whatever. I will let you know if I have any buyers like this. Would like to learn more about this. Let's talk this week after the weekend. I usually work with well-qualified buyers. What's your website? Be happy to share contact with anyone in need. That's awesome. Email me your contacts. All right, so that's give me the email address there. I'm not gonna read all that. I don't have a credit specialist for my buyers. Feel free to call me. Put the phone number there. So these are the types of responses. Like you see, not all of them are great, but this is just a small portion of the 51 replies that I've had. So guys, like you can see, it doesn't take very long to build up a really big referral network of people who are interested in partnering up with you and sending you credit repair leads and clients. I mean, it's just freaking awesome. So I'm super excited. I'm super pumped. I wanted to share this with you guys to give you another strategy that you can plug into your arsenal, your lead generation machine, get more credit repair leads coming in. You can really do this with any industry, but this specific campaign was for credit repair, like building a credit repair referral network. All right. So if you want to learn more about it, you want to get the scripts and like how to implement growth lead with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, all that, I've added it to my credit repair lead gen academy. You can check that out below. I would go through like, the Facebook ads and all that stuff too, but I just added this to the academy, which I'm super excited about. It is freaking awesome. So that's pretty much it. I hope this helps, guys. I hope it helps bring some more leads into your pipeline because referrals are still very powerful. If you can automate the process of getting referrals, it is absolutely something you want to do. It's just typically like people hear referrals, it's like a very manual process. You're also relying on clients to refer you new clients, which doesn't typically happen very often. So if you can connect with other professionals that you just kind of have a mutual interest in working together, that can be really, really powerful. Okay. So give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe because I'm constantly testing new lead generation strategies in multiple different industries, and YouTube's the best place to get it. Make sure you join the free Facebook group too. I got all kinds of goodies in the description, so make sure you check those out. Okay. So I appreciate your guys' time, and I will talk to you in the next video. Take care.